everyone! Welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. Today I'm making crème caramel, also called a flan. It's a custard dessert with a layer of caramel sauce. It's simple to put together and will impress everyone when you flip it over to release the caramel. To get started, we need to make the caramel. Add half a cup of sugar to a saucepan with 2 tablespoons of water. Boil on low to medium heat, making sure not to stir. Here I'm using a pastry brush dipped in water to ensure the sugar doesn't crystallize on the sides of the pot. When it's turned an amber color, it's ready. It should take around 6 to 8 minutes. Immediately pour into 4 ramekins. It will harden as it cools. Now for the custard, add 1.5 cups of milk to a saucepan on medium heat, along with 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. In a bowl, whisk together 2 eggs and 1 egg yolk with 1/3 cup of sugar. Stream in the hot milk mixture into the eggs a little at a time to temper so you don't cook the eggs. Once all the milk is added, strain the custard. Add the custard evenly to each ramekin. Place the ramekins in a baking dish and add enough boiling water to come halfway up the sides of the ramekins. This regulates the temperature and evenly distributes gentle heat around the custard, ensuring the eggs don't curdle. Set the oven to 325 Fahrenheit and bake for around 35 to 40 minutes. When it's done, it'll still have a slight jiggle. Once cooled, cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 3 hours or overnight. To unmold, run a sharp knife around the inside of each ramekin and invert onto a plate. Lift and reveal the magic. Serve with berries on top or as is. The texture of the custard is so smooth and creamy, and paired with the caramel, it's the perfect dessert. One of my favorites for sure. I hope you give this one a try. Thanks for watching. Bye!